Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll teach you about variables and if else statements. So last lesson, I think I told you about variables. So let's just give a quick refresh. Variables are letters or names of something that you can assign to something like x equals 5, for example. Okay? Now let's say print x. Okay, now it prints 5. Okay, now I'll tell you about if-else statements. So it's if this happens, then you do this, or else if this happens, then that, and then else this happens, then do that. Okay, so let's start. So we already assigned x equals 5. So if x equals 5, we do the double equal, because if we write equal, it'll look like this and it'll give a syntax error to us. So we'll type if x equals 5, double equal sign, and then we put comma. Then we type enter, we put a space for an indent, and then type print. We type print, we type the double quotes in and type print x is equal to 5. And then we put double quotes parentheses. And then we will print enter again. And then let's see what happens. X is equal to 5. Okay, so now let me show you about something else. Let's just change x to 6. Now let's just print this code again. If x double equals 5, then no, we don't put any then. We just put a comma. And then print x is equal to 5. Okay, so I forgot something. So yeah, I forgot to put the double quotes here. I accidentally, yeah. So let's write this again. If x double equals 5, comma, space, print, parentheses, double quotes, x is equal to 5, for example. And then we enter again. And then we type else, comma, we put a space for the indent, and then print. Then we type print x is greater than 5. So we put the parentheses and the double quotes, and type x is equal to 5. And then, wait, no, sorry, wait. So we type x is greater than 5. Okay, now let's see. See, now this happens. Now let me tell you, you might be asking me, hey, what if, there's more than 3? If you want to say it's equal to 5, greater than, what if it's less? Good question. I'll tell you all about that. So, first we type print, well, no, let's just, say x equals 1, maybe. Let's switch the x. Okay, now let's start writing the code. Let's start. So let's type print parentheses. No, wait. So we first write if x double equals 5, then no, we don't put then. We just put this, the comma, and then we put space, print this and this, parentheses, double quotes, x is equal to 5. Okay, now we enter again. Now you might ask me if we put the third one like more than 2 what do we do? So we type elif, like else if. So it's not over, but we're typing another if else part. So now we'll type elif x is maybe less than. Yeah, let's put less than. Let me find the else less than. Okay. Okay, if x is less than 5, now we print we put a space, then print x is less than 5. And now we do this. And then we space again and then type else and then put a comma and then space and then print parentheses and then double quotes x is greater than 5. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now let's just copy the code. Okay, so we can't copy code like that. Okay, I think you now understand what it is though. So yeah, so we can like if we like we can put like more else statements like for the if else's we can like put more like we can type if and then we can keep typing elif and then we can if you like want to add more of these stuff variables and like more like conditions you keep like typing elif and for the last one you type else so that way the computer understands like where you want to like put the last command else the computer might start like mixing up and make a syntax error. So yeah, I guess that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson about if else statements and in the next lesson I'll tell you some more stuff about Python. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in our next lesson.